Hello everyone, today I will make a small yellow roses bouquet for my girlfriend. It will be her birthday tomorrow, so I thought I will make a nice bouquet for her. I've got here the nice yellow. This rose is a little bit bigger than this one, these are smaller. So I will put that around the big one, and then I can as well fill up the spaces of the small one, which has the same yellow tone. This is very nice to fill up the gaps. And I got as well here a small green leaf for tomorrow to fill up also the small gaps, which at the end I will see how it works. So I need something like this. This is waterproof, and make sure that you've got to have waterproof basket, or if you need a basket, those small baskets, you have to put plastic in it so that the water will go through. And I've got as well here the sponge, which is good for the flower to keep the water in it. And I've got as well this string, which is as well matching color yellow, and I've got a small ribbon. It says happy birthday. That's all you need. And look, I was able to get both sides as well. It shouldn't be really perfect because nobody will see it anyways, because you have to cover it with all the roses. So now what you need to do is pour water in it slowly. Leave it for a few minutes. After a few minutes, the foam is really soaked. You can start cutting the roses. Cut the rose slide. Don't cut it. Cut it straight. It's better, so you can still use the point thing to put it inside the foam. And try to go around the base with the small ones first. Now that's nearly done. I'm going to just fill up this last rose at the end. So I stick it like this, slide it down so everywhere. So I'm just going to continue. Now it's time to put this one in the middle. I'm just going to cut it as well, a bit taller than the other one, because it has to be, that one has to be a bit sticking up like this. So I will lift the base, so you see I still have the space, and I put it right in the middle. See, I've finished doing all the roses around it. This nice here. Just take it and fill it in, just to see where the spaces are. Just grab a bunch. Okay, the very last touch. As I said, I will cut these leaves and put it around the vase. Okay, with the glue gun, I have to glue this happy birthday ribbon around this, around like that.